हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। सो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं फजी ब्राउनीज एंड वो भी माइक्रोवेव में। सो बिफोर वी गेट स्टार्टेड, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. Firstly, we need to take 4 tablespoons of chocolate. I am taking dark compound chocolate here, along with 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter, and then you need to microwave it for 30 seconds. Mix the mixture very well. Then add 3.5 tablespoons of sugar. Then add 6 tablespoons of flour or maida into the mixture. Then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and half cup of room temperatured milk. Mix the batter very well, and what you can do is use the milk in 2 parts. Don't overmix the batter and mix until you see no lumps. Then you can add handful of chocolate chunks or walnuts or any kind of nuts you like. Then in a microwave safe container, layer out some baking paper as you can see in the video, and then pour your brownie batter. Tap the batter once so that it settles down in corners. You can add any kind of chocolate chips or any kind of nuts, be it walnuts or anything, onto your brownies. Now you need to microwave your brownies for about 2 minutes. When the microwave brownie is fully baked, you need to let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you need to cut and serve it. This brownie serving is for 4. If you need to increase it, you can double up all the quantities and plus the microwave timings. And here's our gooey and fudgy brownie ready, and these were very tasty. You should try it once, and it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Also, you can serve it with ice cream or chocolate ganache on top of it. I hope you liked this easiest brownie recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll be back with some more videos. Till then, bye bye.